If you like these videos, click that thumbs up button. If you don't like them, go ahead and click the thumbs down, but at least leave me a comment and tell me why.
Most of the words I write I never send. They add up to a box full of letters. Most of the notes to myself say carry on. Well, note to self, just forget it. In my short life I've drawn a lot of short straws. I've learned a lot of hard lessons from hospital beds and back booths to bars I was too young to be in, chasing a feeling or numbness. And if it's all a game, I guess I'm losing. If it's one big joke, then I'm a fool. And if it's all a test, I think I'm failing. What can I do? The pictures I took that summer have gone missing, save one I held on to somehow. So I inked it to a place a little less revealing than the scars I still carry around. In my short life I've been a long-term witness to ruthless decisions and fiery bridges, a cycle unbroken by a third revolution. No good solution, no exit. And if it's all a part of some grand scheme, if it's all been planned out from the start, if I'm just a pawn in the arrangement I want out.
What are those?
Huh?
What are those?
Those are hand blades.
I know I'm lucky you're here, within arm's reach, considering the things that you hear about that coyote and me. I wish I could douse those days in a petrol.
You know what whittling is, right?
I know it's not easy.
Remember how I told you that my papa liked to whittle a lot? He liked to sit on the porch and whittle with his knife. This is the last piece of wood he was whittling on the day that he died. So I'm just killing it.
What was it?
It was supposed to be nothing. He would just sit there and just slice it off. Slice it off.
Break a cobbled street to tell me I'm real enough for you now.
Before Mackenzie was born.
Real enough for you now.
So did you have it in that small shop?
I stored it.
Find a way
Someplace safe.
to hear you say I'm real enough for you now. All of my tricks they are lost on
There's
you.
18 hangers, but I don't know if you have.
Where others would
You have two.
find
I have a lot.
their kicks.
Well,
Honey, you're
Hold on.
not free.
I have more of those blue ones, yep. I don't know where they're at right at the moment.
Two lamps, kind of.
Ain't
Well,
available love.
that's a complete lamp. That is a
Just
lamp.
like the
It
4th
kind
of July to excite, and then so quickly it's gone.
Those are planes.
fun.
But I would build you a pillow from my
So like me
clothes
small.
and a jacket from my
Hopefully
shredded
this year we'll
skin.
start getting you doing some hand tool
Wrapped
work.
a necklace
I'd like to.
from my rib cage.
Mine was in my toolbox in there, not the black one.
So you tell me
It's
I'm real enough
probably
for
close to
you
this
now.
size right here. But
Real enough for
oh, that size about that size up there. That small.
I'm gonna find a way
Think
to
about
hear
that
you
size.
say I'm real enough for you now.
This is gonna be funny to see on the camera.
Give me 5.
How are you doing that? But now you have to lift the other side though. Oh, you probably just.
Here we go. Give me 5.
Till you tell me
About where it's gonna go. It's gonna be a little bit lower.
find a way to hear you say I'm real enough for you now. What do I gotta do
Oh,
to
it's
prove
that.
to you I'm real enough for
Can you grab that level? Goes out of the way.
It looks much, much different though. Which side was it on? Side with this.
Wow, what a difference that makes. It's a little bit later than I normally like to work out here. A little past Braden's bedtime, but I was on a roll. I just really wanted to get it all done. I'm not gonna put any tools back up yet. Now, I built this long before YouTube. I'm gonna guess 15 years ago. And I never put a single coat of finish on it. And I used to not put finish on any shop furniture. I didn't think it was needed. Not until recently when I painted the assembly table did I really start finishing shop furniture and realize how it brings everything together. This is made out of all cherry, with the exception of the pegboard, of course. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a clear coat on it tomorrow before I start organizing the tools back. I have 2 tool chests that I think I'm gonna sit on the floor underneath the hanging tool cabinet. We'll see. I'm looking real forward to this. I've got my window to the side now. I can have some daylight while I'm here doing hand tool work. I can now work all the way around the bench. I think this is going to be good. Nice light right above me, a receptacle beside me for my lighted magnifying glass. I have definitely, my eyes aren't what they used to be when I'm doing dovetails. I like to have that magnifying glass now. Now we just got to get all the other paneling, all the ceiling, and the rest of the entire shop done. If you like these videos, click that thumbs up button. If you don't like them, go ahead and click the thumbs down, but at least leave me a comment and tell me why. If you're already a subscriber, I'd love to have you. Click that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I've been putting out a lot of videos, so you don't want to miss any.